How to use SD card as the internal storage in Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch Settings app on your Android phone. Scroll to the bottom of your screen and navigate to About Device option. Scroll to the bottom, select Version. Now you need to tap Build Number for 7 times until you see the message of You are a developer. As you can see that I already have got the message of you are already a developer. That means developer mode has been turned on. So let's get back to our settings menu bar. And now you simply need to scroll down and navigate to additional settings option. Scroll down, look for developer option and select the option. Now turn on the button for developer options. After that, you need to scroll down to the bottom of your screen until and unless you do not find the option of Force Allow Apps on External and turn on the button for it. Now this will make any app eligible to be written to external storage regardless of manifest values. And now you can easily use SD card as internal storage in Android device. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.